we are looking at how to pronounce these names from Aztec mythology. We're going to be looking at how to say more names from Mexico, the Nahuatl language as well. So make sure to stay tuned to the channel and until the end of the video to learn more correct pronunciations. Alright, so let's break it down. Xiuhtecuhtli. Xiu. So the first X is pronounced like SH. So Xiuhtecuhtli. The stress is on the third syllable, on the ku syllable. Xiuhtecuhtli. Xiuhtecuhtli. Or in English you could say it as Xiuhtecuhtli. And now you know. Like this video if you found it useful. Appreciate your support and more videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations. See you there. Thanks for watching.